Website performance has a direct impact on SEO, user experience, and conversions. But tracking technical performance metrics across tools can be time-consuming. AgencyAnalytics brings Google PageSpeed data into one centralized dashboard, making it easier to monitor and report on site performance. Start by opening your client's profile. From the sidebar, navigate to SEO and select Google PageSpeed. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your website's performance. At the top, key metrics like performance score, SEO score, and accessibility score give a quick overview of overall site health. The load time chart highlights how quickly the site loads and where improvements can be made across key performance metrics. Additional metrics like first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, speed index, time to interactive, and time to first byte provide deeper insight into how users experience the site. Scroll down to review the full list of PageSpeed tests. Each test includes a category, description, score, and status, making it easy to see which elements are performing well and which areas may need attention. Use filters to quickly focus on specific categories like SEO, performance, or accessibility, helping prioritize optimizations based on impact. Ask AI helps turn technical data into clear insights. Use Ask AI to quickly summarize results, understand performance issues, and uncover optimization opportunities without reviewing each test manually. Combine PageSpeed insights with other integrations like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Rank Tracker to get a more complete picture of your client's digital performance. Schedule automated, white-labeled reports to keep clients updated with the latest performance metrics without additional manual work. Keep your client's website performance data clear, organized, and actionable. Start your free trial today with AgencyAnalytics, the only reporting and insights platform purpose-built for marketing agencies.